In today's video, I will walk you through how to pause your Shopify store. Start by going to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will expand a menu containing additional options related to your storefront. From the available options, select Preferences. This will take you to the section where you can manage certain settings for your online store. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll through the available settings until you find the Password Protection section. When you locate the Password Protection option, enable it. Turning on this setting will activate password protection for your store. After enabling password protection, additional fields will appear on the page. The first field allows you to create a password. Enter the password you want to use for your store while it is password protected. Make sure the password is entered correctly, since this will be required for anyone who needs access to the store during this period. Next, locate the message field. This section allows you to enter a message that visitors will see when they reach the password page. Type the message you want displayed. Enter the information exactly as you would like visitors to read it when they attempt to access your store. Review the password you entered and double-check the message to make sure everything appears the way you want. Once you are satisfied with both fields, continue to the final step. Click the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, password protection will be activated for your Shopify store. Visitors who try to access your store will be shown the password page instead of the storefront itself. Anyone who has the password you created will be able to enter the store, while visitors without the password will remain on the password page. Take a moment to verify that the password protection settings have been saved correctly. If needed, return to the Preferences section to review or update the password and message at any time. Whenever you decide that you no longer want the store protected, you can return to the same password protection section and adjust the settings there. To recap, open your Shopify admin panel, select Online Store, choose Preferences, locate Password Protection, enable it, create a password, enter a message for visitors, review your settings, and click Save. That's all there is to it. Your Shopify store is now password protected and effectively paused for visitors until you decide to remove the restriction. Thank you for watching.